Looking at another case? Yeah, this time we've got the DarkFlash DY470. Why did everything just go dark? And how's the build already done? Because it's made by DarkFlash. You get it? It went dark and I built it in a flash. Just tell me about the case. So it's a dual chamber case with tinted glass on the side, on the front, and then also this angled piece on the top. The front I/O for the case is down below and much easier to access. And the other top panel is angled upward, so it's actually easier to see your top fans. It can support back connect motherboards, up to 10 fans total. It comes pre-installed with 1 fan on the rear and 3 reverse blade daisy chained fans on the side. It comes pre-installed with a GPU sag bracket, and it's dual chamber, so there's a ton of room for cable management.